Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is crucial for everyone's financial well-being, building an emergency fund. Before we begin, let's quickly address the question, what is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is a stash of money set aside specifically to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. It acts as a safety net, providing you with peace of mind and financial security when life throws you a curveball. So, why is building an emergency fund crucial? Well, emergencies can happen to anyone at any time. Whether it's a sudden medical expense, a major car repair, or an unexpected job loss, having an emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Here are a few reasons why it's crucial to have. Number 1, financial security. An emergency fund ensures that you're prepared for unexpected financial setbacks. It helps you avoid going into debt or relying on credit cards to cover expenses. Instead, you can rely on your savings to navigate through tough times. Number 2, peace of mind. Knowing that you have a financial cushion can reduce stress and anxiety. It gives you confidence in handling unexpected situations without feeling overwhelmed. Number 3, flexibility. An emergency fund provides you with the flexibility to make choices based on your long-term goals, rather than being forced into immediate, unfavorable decisions. For example, you might have the freedom to negotiate a better job offer or take time off to pursue a new opportunity. Now that we understand the importance of having an emergency fund, let's discuss how to build one. Here are some practical steps you can take. Step 1, set a goal. Determine how much you want to save in your emergency fund. A common recommendation is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Calculate your monthly expenses and multiply that by the desired number of months to get your target amount. Step 2, start small. Building an emergency fund can be challenging, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Start by setting aside a small amount each month. The key is consistency and making it a habit. Step 3, automate savings. Make savings automatic by setting up a direct deposit or automatic transfer from your paycheck to a separate savings account dedicated to your emergency fund. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money before it goes into savings. Step 4, reduce expenses. Look for ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect that money towards your emergency fund. It could be as simple as skipping your daily coffee run or canceling unused subscriptions. Boost your income. Consider finding ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle or freelancing gigs. The additional income can be specifically allocated to your emergency fund. Remember, building an emergency fund takes time and discipline, but it's well worth the effort. It's like building a financial safety net that can protect you when you need it the most. Start small, be consistent, and watch your emergency fund grow. That's it for today's video on building an emergency fund. We hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or tips on this topic, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and advice. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.